Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Canva presentation animation tutorial for beginners. So let's just say you will be selling products and you want to use Canva for making a presentation. So all you have to do is to create an account. Once done, go to create a design. Let's just say you will be posting or you want to promote your products on your YouTube channel. So basically you can look for YouTube right here and then look for the specific dimension or size, or you can just click presentation here in Canva. It's the same thing. So tap on presentation and it will take you directly to this blank page. Now here in the blank page, what you're going to do is you have to go to uploads. If you have your videos already on your computer and you want to edit it, then you can just basically upload this. Now, if you don't have, you can go to design and then look for the specific template that you want to use, or go to elements to find videos and images which you think you can use for your presentation. So let's just say we will be or I will be selling organic spray bottle. So what I want as a background is like a green grass, but it should be moving or it should be a video. So all you have to do is double tap or drag that video to the blank page like this one. However, if you want to change this, you can just basically upload your own video or go to elements again and then search for that specific video that you want to use. So let's just say this one. Once you have your background here, then you can add your product. You can just basically go to upload again and upload the image or the video of your product. So for the meantime, I just want to go to elements and then look for organic spray bottle as an example. So you can go to videos, you can go to photos, you can go to graphics. So everything is up to you. Now I change my background video and then I'm going to drag or I'm going to add the spray bottle or my product right here. Anyways, if you don't have any idea for product names, then you can ask ChatGPT for that. If you want ChatGPT to give you some information or ideas on what product names you can use for your organic spray bottle or organic spray, then you can just go and ask ChatGPT. Now, once you have your name, then you can drag your product right here. Now, if you just want the spray bottle alone and you want to remove the background of your product, I should say, then if you're using the Canva Pro version, you can just basically tap on the BG remover and it will remove the background. But if you're using also, or if you want to use images only, not video, all you have to do is again just add the picture to the video like this. And if you want to remove, then all you have to do is tap on the picture remover. However, there are times that it cannot remove all, so all you have to do is to crop this. Once you have your background video and your product added here to your presentation, it's about time to add the name of your product. So basically, you can tap on the text button right here and then add the name of your product. So basically, tap on the text or place first your product and then go back to ChatGPT, copy and paste the name of your product here. So tap on the text and then go to ChatGPT, copy the name or type the name, paste it back to Canva. And then here in Canva, you can edit the font style, the font size, even the font color, everything is up to you. You can also add effects if you want. So this is what it looks like. You can resize, you can change the font style, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to add description, if you don't have one yet, then you can ask ChatGPT for a description of your product. So go back to ChatGPT and then ask a product description or short product description for your product. Now, basically, this is what it looks like. You just have to copy and paste, go to ChatGPT, copy and paste or ask first a short description for your product. ChatGPT will generate a short description for your product, and all you need to do is to copy this and go back to Canva. So let me generate a short product first, and then after that, what you're going to do is you have to simply copy and then paste. Now you can resize, you can change the font style, font size. Also, you can basically add effects to this one, and this is what it looks like. So this is how you create presentation for your products using Canva. So here you can change or edit the font style, the font color. You can add effects to your fonts right here. So there are tons of things that you can do inside the Canva in order for you to create or to do this presentation animation, especially if you're planning to post this or promote this video to your YouTube. It's the same thing if you want to create animation on your Instagram Reels or your Facebook Reels. So all you have to do is just open your Canva, go to Elements, and then look for available background videos or upload your own video. And then after that, you can look for any available elements also, like pictures or videos here that you can add. And then after that, once done, you can now export or download this as MP4 and then post it anywhere. So this is the easiest way on how to Canva presentation animation tutorial for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.